Hello everyone, welcome to Mamay USA. Today I'm going to be making Swai fillet fish with green curry sauce. It's a simple meal and a few ingredients. In this video, you'll see 2 fillet fish, coconut milk, and green curry paste, which you can find them from Asian supermarket anywhere. I will leave all ingredients in the box down below. Before I start to cook, I like to clean the fish, lay them down on the paper towel, and pat them dry really good. Then seasoning them with salt and black pepper both sides. Turn stove on medium-high. Add olive oil or any oil that you have in your pantry. When the oil is hot enough, then start to fry the fish. At this point, I'm not going to touch the fish at all. Let them do their thing about 5 minutes. Then turn the fish over. Continue this side the same amount of time, which is 5 minutes. Then set them aside after that. Time to make green curry sauce. At medium-high heat, scoop out coconut milk, about 1/4 cup. Keep stirring until coconut milk bubbling, then add green curry paste. The more you add, the more spicy. I use 1 tablespoon. I just want to show you how palm sugar look like. And again, you can buy them from Asian supermarket anywhere. It comes in small pieces. We'll be using a half. Stir until it melts. If you need to, you can substitute with white sugar. If the sauce too concentrate, then add some water. Add fish sauce and adjust to your taste. There, the green curry sauce is done. Be gentle when transfer the fish to the plate. It's delicate. Then garnish the fish with chopped parsley. Thank you for watching. If you like my recipe, please subscribe and ring that bell. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.